so cruel. God is not cruel, He is all loving. Only material nature is cruel. Just like the king may not be cruel, but those who are wayward citizens, for them the king has created a correctional unit or jail where the jailer has to be cruel. So, king himself may not be cruel, but the jailer has to be cruel. Unless and until they rectify, the jailer will not release, because such a person needed rectification, need correctional situation. So only by a stern discipline, cruel is not liberty there. So material nature you may call cruel, but you can't call Kṛṣṇa cruel.